Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you InstaClient recipe review. So what actually is InstaClient recipe? Guys, InstaClient recipe is a formula that will quickly locate your perfect client and filter out anyone who will be a drain on your efforts. They have also created a simple but insanely effective prospects that will quickly turn those leads into paying clients. Creator of this product, InstaClient recipe, Dr. Ben Atkins. Guys, right now I'm in the sales page of this product, InstaClient recipe. Are you struggling to find and secure enough clients to grow your online business? This 5-step recipe quickly connects you with clients who will happily agree to pay for your service every single month. Guys, this product, InstaClient recipe, this is mainly actually a info product, guys, a training course. This product goes live on 16th of August, 11 a.m. EST. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information what you will get inside the members area of this training course, InstaClient recipe. How to generate clients from Instagram. They will teach you everything, guys. Okay, so stay tuned. This is my honest review. I'm going to show you everything, guys. Don't skip this video. Okay. Guys, this is my blog, Passive Money University. I wrote the full review about this product, about this training course, InstaClient recipe here on my blog. Here is a lots of information I put, like what is InstaClient recipe all about, InstaClient recipe complete product overview is here, InstaClient recipe features. Okay, what InstaClient recipe can do for you. InstaClient recipe bonus packages. This is the vendor bonuses, the Dr. Ben Atkins bonuses. And these are my exclusive $3,745 bonuses that I will give you totally free. Believe me, guys, this bonuses change my life. I think this bonuses also change your life with this beautiful training InstaClient recipe. Okay, guys, here is you can see all of my $3,745 bonus. Okay, here is you can see my 30 exclusive bonuses. I will also give you my special bonuses. End of the video, I'm going to show you how to build a profitable email list. Okay, guys, and how to claim your bonuses. You can see the information is here. Okay, and also this product, InstaClient recipe, will give you 60 days unconditional money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose. Okay, guys, this is the right time to purchase this type of training course. Guys, keep in mind our goal is to help you, and I think this product will help you to generate leads from Instagram actually. Okay, so I'm just jump on my blog, guys, Passive Money University. Right now I'm going to show you step by step all the information, guys. Also I'm going to show you all the sales page information that put the vendor here on the sales page. Okay, this is amazing product, guys, believe me, and this product price is very low, guys. I'm going to show you all of this. And here is you can see what is InstaClient. You already know what is InstaClient actually, and I put all the information that you need to know about this product, about this training course, and this all information will help you to understand this product actually. Okay, guys, that's why I put all the major information that you need actually. So I highly recommend you take a few moments right now and check InstaClient recipe out. Right now, guys, I'm going to show you InstaClient recipe complete product overview. The product name is InstaClient recipe. Vendor name is Dr. Ben Atkins. Launch date is 16th of August, 11 a.m. EST. And this is the official website link of this product, InstaClient recipe. So guys, you have no problem to find out the sales page, find out the official website actually. Okay, and the price is only $27. This is the one-time payment, guys. This is my honest review. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, I repeat this word because I am going to show you the exact price of this product. This product have two another upsells. One upsells price is $27 and one upsell price is $47. This is the price of this training course, InstaClient recipe actually, that no one can share on the internet, guys. This price is the what use information. Okay, I only share all the information with you. okay, because I want to share my honest review on our viewers. Okay guys, and here is you can see my $3,745 bonuses, also 60 days money back guarantee. I'm going to show also all the money back guarantees here. You guys see here, and here is you can see 60-day money back guarantee, and this is the vendor, Dr. Ben Atkins. Who is Ben Atkins? I'm going to show you also all of this. You can see who is Ben Atkins. Here is you can see the information on the sales page. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything right now. Guys, I'm going to show you InstaClient recipe facers. This is very, very important before purchase it. Inside InstaClient recipe, you will learn part number 1, 5 secret criteria for zeroing in one the perfect clients for your agency. This incredibly effective technique leverages the vast pool of potential clients on Instagram, showing you how to find your perfect client. Part number 2 of this product, InstaClient recipe. Find your 10 perfect hashtags. This is very, very important to get buyer traffic from Instagram, guys, and grow your Instagram account. This is very, very important to put right hashtag on your handle. Okay guys, most people have a vague idea about what hashtags are and how they are used, but few business owners realize the hashtags are a super tool for finding quality leads. Okay, part number 3, how to bond with a potential client. This is where they set up for maximum success and closing deals with ease. Part number 4, the Insta DM recipe. Figuring out how to approach a potential client is though most people simply don't know what to say. This section of the InstaClient recipe takes care of that. Okay guys, and part number 5 of this product, how to close the deal. With InstaClient recipes part, you will learn exactly what to do say in order to successfully close the deal actually. And this is the 5 part that you can see inside of this product. Okay guys, InstaClient recipe. Right now I am going to show you what InstaClient recipe can do for you. Quickly find high quality leads that will soon be your perfect client. Gone are the days of guessing where to find leads and coming up empty-handed. They will show you exactly where to find your ideal client, allowing you to be making connections quickly. More importantly, you will find out how to avoid leads that will waste your time, allowing you to focus your energy on the people who are most likely to pay for your service. Okay guys, build solid connections with leads that will motivate them to work with you. You don't be ignored by potential clients anymore. The InstaClient recipe uses an authentic approach that leads will appreciate and actually respond to, laying the groundwork for easy yes when you offer your services. Okay guys, and successfully grow your client base and give your monthly income a boost. They have removed the guesswork and discomfort that many business owners experience when pitching their services. Instead, you will be given a proven formula that will successfully close the deal. Soon, you will grow your client base and finally achieve those big monthly income goals you have been chasing after. Okay, guys? And enjoy the freedom and simplicity of working from anywhere. This entire system is so laid back and easy to do that you can reach out, follow up, and secure new clients from anywhere your smartphone is, whether that is in the comfort of your home office or a hotel room in your dream destination. You will enjoy the security of a new client's freely following into your business no matter where you are. Okay guys, then this is the main information guys of this product InstaClient recipe. If you want to learn more, just click the link in my video description below and watch this video guys. You can see, watch this video to see how to find your perfect clients and get them so excited to work with you. They will jump at the chance to say yes. So click the link in my video description below. Guys, InstaClient recipe conclusion right now. Thank you so much for watching InstaClient recipe review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. This system, this training course is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Take your action as soon as possible for the best deal. Guys, this is the right time, and you can see this is the InstaClient recipe bonus packages. This is the vendor bonus package. I'm going to show the vendor bonus package on the sales page, so stay tuned. And these are my exclusive $3,745 bonuses guys. I will give you email marketing formula, I will give you AdSense making software, I will give you guys AdSense ad creator, actually backlinks for your software, developing content, pop-up pro, lots of software, lots of marketing materials I will give you, and that all bonuses I personally use all of my online businesses. And here is guys special bonuses, top 21 high quality PLR ebooks. Right now I'm going to show the secret guide how to build a profitable email list. Actually guys, just give away these ebooks that I will give you totally free. This is very high quality ebook guys that I personally use for lead generation on my online business. For my online business you can also use it to build a email list, profitable email list actually. And how to claim your bonus, just two simple steps to claim your bonuses. Get InstaClient recipe by clicking here to get instant access now, or through any link on this page, and your bonuses will be delivered Warrior Plus parcel chatbot. But if you have any problem in receiving your bonuses, you can guys email us. Our email is here. I will send you your bonus easily and quickly. Okay, and 60 days money back guarantee. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is the right time to purchase this product InstaClient, and this is the right time to generate leads from Instagram. And right guys, I'm just right now InstaClient recipe sales page. I'm going to show you everything about this product InstaClient recipe on the sales page information. We can see guys, this is no flop approach, allows you to get in and get out. You will quickly locate quickly leads and land clients with ease. Okay, if you are ready to stop hitting those dead ends, instead focus on securing a steady system of a few clients into your business, then it's time for you to start leveraging the client attraction power of InstaClient recipe. Actually the step-by-step recipe for landing clients to so easily you can work from your course at a coffee shop or even full side. Okay guys, the InstaClient recipe users process to land clients, that's so simple, it hardly counts as work. Okay, using Instagram we have developed a formula that will quickly locate your perfect client. Okay guys, here is what you will learn inside the InstaClient recipe. Here is all the information that I've already shown you. This is the 5 simple steps formula. Step number 4, step number 5, how to close the tail. And that's it guys. This is the bonuses. The number 1 vendor bonus is Insta Pipeline. Bonus number 2 is Insta Pipeline Bait. Okay, so this is the vendor who is Ben Atkins. You can see the information about this vendor. And here is you can see what people using the InstaClient recipe have to say about this special system. This is the Christiani. Okay guys, and it's a great way to end is that Steve and Craig, they actually share their user experience about this product InstaClient recipe. As the Anthony, they share their InstaClient recipe information. Okay, the experience and the bad or good. Okay guys, here is you can see also 60-day unconditional money back guarantee. You can see the contact their support, okay, for more details. And you can see that said 60-day guarantee is in place to give you a plenty of time to go through the course and put everything into action. It is still not a fit after you have done that we are more than happy to buy the program back from you. If you submit a request before 60 days, they will refund your money without questions. I hope guys you enjoy this video. I hope guys you understand about this product, InstaClient recipe. This product mainly a lead generation training course, how to generate leads from Instagram. Just to save you guys, thank you, see you soon. Don't forget to grab all of my bonuses guys.